Imagine waking up to money in your account while you slept. No inventory, no shipping, just pure profits. That's the power of digital products. And in this video, I'm breaking down exactly how you can create and sell them to start making passive income today. So why do digital products work? They work because there's no inventory. It's actually zero inventory. They have 100% profit margin and there's unlimited scalability. And whether it's templates, ebooks, or online courses, once you create them, you can sell them forever with little to no extra effort. It's a business I've also done before, and I can prove to you that for every sale you are making like almost 100% profit. It's highly profitable. The challenge just lies in being able to package the product and sell. Once you are on a sales roll, I tell you, it's sweet. And I want to show you how you can also get into the digital products market. So let's roll. So I will try to be as detailed as possible in this video. So I want you to be patient and stick with me till the very end. So what is the first step to getting into the digital products market? The first step is choose your niche and product type. Choose your niche and product type. So what I mean by that is pick a niche where people are already actively spending money on digital products. Don't reinvent the wheel. People are already buying certain products, so look for some markets where they're already buying. And these are some hot ideas off the top of my head. Number one, Notion and Canva templates. People are buying Notion and Canva templates, and so for productivity you can sell habit trackers, study planners, and business dashboards. And then for business you can sell invoice templates, marketing funnels, and client management systems. And then for creators, you can sell Instagram story templates, YouTube thumbnails, and podcast covers. Secondly, I'm still talking about picking a niche and a product type. Okay, so secondly, we are talking about AI generated ebooks and guides. So for entrepreneurs, you can have something like how to start an online business guides. Then for finance, you can have budgeting and investing for beginners. Then for self-improvement, you can have mindset, productivity, or fitness guides. Now, still under the picking your niche and product type, the third aspect is online courses and digital workshops. So for creators, you can have something like how to grow on TikTok and Instagram. And for tech industry, you can have something called AI automation for business owners. And then for skills, you can have something like freelancing 101, make money online. Then still under the pick a niche and product type, we have stock photos, presets, and graphics. And so for designers, you can have Photoshop brushes, logo packs, UI kits. Or for influencers, you can have Instagram presets and aesthetic wallpapers. And then for business owners, you can have stock photos, presentation slide decks. These are all things that you can sell as digital products and make 100% profit. These are ideas just off the top of my head, and I hope it helps you to streamline your product, your digital product for sale, even as the year goes on. Okay, so that's the first step, pick a niche and product type. So we are now going to the second step, which is create high demand digital products. Create high demand digital products. So you can use AI and automation to make product creation fast and effortless. For instance, you can use ChatGPT and Jasper AI to write ebooks, guides, and courses. You can also use Canva and Figma to create templates, presentations, and design your assets. Okay, you can also use Notion and Google Docs to build your planners, business templates, and dashboards. You can also use Descript stroke Pictory AI to make video tutorials and voiceovers for your courses. Okay, so that is for step 2. So now let's quickly move to step 3 in your digital product marketing business. Step 3 involves setting up a digital storefront. So your digital storefront is where people will see your products and they will come and buy. So the first place you can use is Etsy, ETSY. It is best for templates and printables. If you want to sell templates and printables, go ahead and use Etsy, ETSY. Then Gumroad. Gumroad is perfect for ebooks, guides, and courses. So Gumroad, Gumroad, Gumroad is perfect for ebooks, guides, and courses. So if you want to create an ebook, guide, or course, just go ahead and use Gumroad. Then there is Ko-fi. Buy me a coffee. The coffee is Ko-fi. So buy me a coffee. So that one is good for selling low ticket digital products to fans. Selling low ticket digital products to fans. Then there's Shopify stroke WooCommerce. Then there's Shopify stroke WooCommerce. And those ones are for you if you want your own website. Now, one tip I want to say is when you're selling on your storefront, add upsells and bundles to increase sales. For instance, buy 3 templates, get 1 free. That one will increase your sales and you will make more money and more profit as a result. I hope that tip works for you. I know it will work for you, definitely. Okay, so that is the end of step 3. So let's move to step 4, which is marketing and selling your digital products. So step 4 is marketing and selling your digital products. So you can sell with TikTok and Instagram Reels, which show how your digital products solve a problem. Basically, tell the story of how your digital product solves a problem for people, and then put the reel on Instagram, on TikTok, and then let people see it. Of course, because people like testimonials, people like before and after stories, they will key into it. And so basically you can use TikTok and Instagram Reels to tell the story of how your digital product solves a problem. Then secondly, you can use Pinterest and SEO blogs. You can drive organic traffic by sharing tips and linking to your shop. So basically you can share tips that will help your audience and link those tips you are sharing to your shop. So from reading the useful tips, they can land on your shop and you get a sale from there. Okay, then Twitter and LinkedIn threads. You can share your insights, get engagement, and attract buyers. Just basically post your insights on LinkedIn and also on Twitter, and get people interested, get people wanting to know more about your digital product. Okay, you can also do email marketing and lead magnets. So you give away a freebie, example 5 free Canva templates to collect emails and upsell them later. So these are all smart ways to market your digital product and get maximum profit. Now, so that is for step 4. Now step 5 is how to scale to 6 to 7 figures. I tell you, it's possible to scale to 6 to 7 figures. It's just a matter of being smart and working hard too. So it's a combination of working hard and working smart. And so how do you do it? Step 5, scale to 6 and 7 figures. To scale to 6 to 7 figures, which is our 5th step, you got to automate everything. Use AI to create posts and schedule your content. So automate your content creation and scheduling and posting. Automate everything. Also, you got to outsource tasks. Hire a virtual assistant for customer service and content marketing. You can't be all in your business. You've got to invite people to come and assist you so you will not suffer from overwhelm. Also, you will be able to see the bigger picture of your business if you are outside some of the tasks. If you are in it, you can't see much. But when other people are running certain aspects for you, you'll be able to see the bigger picture and know where you want to take your business to in the future. Okay, so you can also run paid ads. That is, once you have proven sales, invest in Facebook / TikTok ads. It pays eventually, but you've got to also master how to write the your ad copy to engage people and get them to to click on your shop link. Okay, then create subscription model. So what I mean by that is offer a membership with exclusive templates and content. So people can be paying every month to be a member of that club, where they will get exclusive content and also exclusive templates, which is not for all other people. It is strictly for those people who are paying. So that subscription model is good because it gives you recurring income. Every month they renew their subscription, except those that refuse to renew. But for those who constantly renew, you will get recurring commissions. Okay, so this is one of the easiest ways to scale to make 10k dollars per month with digital products. What type of digital product do you want to start with? Thank you for watching this video. Do let me know your answer in the comments and share this video with a friend if you found it helpful.